Hello. We are delighted to introduce our new AI acceleration module that significantly enhances the speed of computer AI image recognition. First, let us introduce the testing environment. In our video, the computer used is equipped with an Intel i5-13600 CPU, which already possesses AI acceleration capabilities. To compare performance, we installed a SUNIX PCIe to M.2 interface card along with the Hailo AI acceleration module into the computer. This allows us to conduct a performance comparison between the two. For our testing, we utilized a pre-trained Yolo AI model to evaluate and compare the image recognition performance of the Hailo 8 and Intel processors. The Hailo 8 model inference engine employs Hailo Dataflow technology, while the Intel processor utilizes Open Vino technology. Now let's take a look at the test results. First, we observe the test screen on the left, displaying the recognition data using Hailo 8, achieving a speed of approximately 200 frames per second. Next, we turn our attention to the test screen on the right, showing the recognition data using the Intel processor, reaching only about 10 frames per second. From the test results, it is evident that the recognition speed of Hailo 8 is approximately 20 times faster than that of the Intel processor. Therefore, when it comes to practical AI acceleration applications, relying solely on the CPU may be insufficient. This is where increasing the number of AI modules can enhance performance, enabling smoother operation of edge AI applications. That concludes our presentation. Thank you all for your attention.